we just arrived here in Hong Kong, and this is the room. It's really just the room. I can't really expect much from it, but we're going here and we're just going to be out all the time, so it doesn't really matter that much, I guess. So first off, not really a good experience, I would say, because our luggage, this luggage right here, is actually supposed to have a padlock, but then when it arrived, the padlock was lost and it was really nowhere to be found. So that's that. We actually had a whole itinerary planned, but there was a delay in flight and in the shuttle here going here, so we can't really do the itinerary that this girl right here planned. but we have a plan, a backup plan that we just made up this second. We're just going to Chingy Park and Maritime Square. That's our plan for today. Let's just hope that there will be no more bad things or like complications that is going to happen. And also a heads up, I will be filming this way because it's really hard to film this way, especially if you already saw my camera. Like, it's kind of hard, but I'll try. Just don't get weirded out when I talk like this, like, hey guys, we're here in Chingy Park. And yeah, I'll see you when we get there. Bye. So, a reminder, if you guys are going to Hong Kong, make sure that you bring the kind of plug they have. I don't know if you can see. You can't probably see. Oh yeah, thank you. Because it's different from where we live. It's a different kind of socket as we're used to. Wait, I will show you. So that's their socket. This is the kind of socket that I had, and it didn't really fit. A good thing is that we got this Wi-Fi rental, and their Wi-Fi had a charger, and we were able to thank you. And we were able to charge our phones using the charger of their Wi-Fi thingy, portable Wi-Fi. So yeah, just a heads up, if you ever are going to Hong Kong, bring that kind of socket or just rent their Wi-Fi. So yeah. Okay, so just a quick update. We changed our rooms. So I'm just showing you the overview of the superior room that we originally reserved or booked. And then this is the overview of the room that we changed into, the deluxe room. I was actually talking in this video, but I didn't really understand what I was saying. I was like a drunk person, so I just decided to try and voice over. Okay, so I don't know if you can hear me. There are a lot of noises because we are now in Maritime Square. Oh, sorry. Okay, so we are now in Maritime Square and we got here by using the shuttle, which is provided by Rambler Hotel Gardens that we are staying at. This is it. Right now, we are just going to look for food and probably some milk tea. We plan on what was it? Tianren. Ti- Ten. Ten. Ten Ren. So we're planning on trying that milk tea because this girl right here. Hello. You're so white.
饭了吗？还是付一楼还是付二楼啊？
So, it was a good milk tea place, according to her. So pretty.
So many Korean brands here. It's a bakery.
Egg tart. So after we bought the cheese tart and the egg tart, we just ate dinner at So Thai So Good in Maritime Square 1. Also, sorry for the quality of the microphone. I'm just using an earphone, so please bear with me. Hi guys! So, update. We just got back from dinner in Maritime Square. We ate in a Thai restaurant. It was actually really good. So, sorry I wasn't able to film much in Maritime Square. It was really crowded. And we weren't able to go to Chimney Park as we have planned because it was raining. And we also didn't get to taste the milk tea that we wanted to taste, which is 10 yen. 10 yen? But hopefully tomorrow the plans and the itinerary we chose or planned will move smoothly, much more smoothly. And we also have planned to go to Maritime Square tomorrow, so maybe I can finally taste the milk tea there. Okay, so we bought this egg tarts and I'm just going to taste them because it's my first time here in Hong Kong and it's my first time to eat egg tarts here in Hong Kong, if that makes sense. And I really just want to taste them. They are from Rome. And if I'm not mistaken, there was one which is $9 and one which is $14. Not sure which is which, but let's taste. Oh! I'm sorry if this is disgusting, but it's really good. Oh. Mm. Oh my god. I think this is the $14 cheese tart, egg tart. I'm not even sure. I think this is cheese tart. It's so good. It's good. This is good. And I think this is the egg tart. Mm. Mm. This is the egg tart. Oh my gosh, it's so messy. This is really good. It's very full. It's very creamy. Smooth. It's, it's like a cloud. It's so good. Mm. It's really good. It's probably because I also didn't know what to expect in cheese tarts or egg tarts because I haven't really had a comparison, and the ones that, you know, pasalubong is not really this like freshly made. It's freshly made is really the best. Also, a bonus item is we got this in the sushi takeout, which can also be seen in Maritime Square if ever you're going. I really like mochi, so I got this. This is mochi. It is $18 and you get 2 of 3 flavors. Let's hope it tastes good. What? Oh my gosh. This is really soft. What? Is this supposed to be refrigerated? It's really soft. It envelopes my thumb. Is this how it's supposed to be? You got something? Mm. Mm. That's very sticky. It's very sticky and it has this cream filling. It's very soft. Very sticky rice feel. Like supping. But it's good. This is a green one. It feels different from the pink one. It's like the filling is a bit harder. It tastes different. I suspected this was the matcha. This is matcha. I really like this one. And I might be biased because I really like matcha things. And the inside is like a matcha flavored cream. I like this one better than the pink one because the pink one is kind of like very sticky for my taste. I mean, I like sticky rice and mochi, but it was too sticky for me. I like this. So the last one, I have a feeling is coconut flavored. And yeah, it's very different from the matcha and the strawberry one, I think. It's definitely denser. And the filling is harder. I have an inkling that this is coconut, and if it's coconut, I might not like it. Mm. Mm. It's not coconut. It's red bean. It's good, but I'm actually also not a big fan of red bean. But my sister might like that one. So sweet. My favorite one from that trio is the green one, the matcha flavor one. And between the egg tart and the cheese tart, I'm guessing it's cheese tart. I like the cheese tart better. It's more full. It's more full, it's more creamy, and basically just preference, personal preference, because I really like cheese and it's really good. It's fluffy. It's like a river running inside your mouth, like a very smooth sailing river. If that makes sense. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that little mukbang. So yeah, that is it for first day in Hong Kong. That is it for Hong Kong Part 1. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and please do like, subscribe, and share it. In the next videos, there will be more tips, and you can see more of the Hong Kong culture and the places that we will go to. Yeah, hope you enjoyed, and please do subscribe and follow me on Instagram. See you on the next video. Bye!